am April Angelic Arsiaga from the Philippines' premier national capital region, Muntinlupa City. Muntinlupa City is known for its modernity. Its transformation into an advanced business center has adopted development into its idyllic landscape. The trees lined up along the avenue of the city's business district looks and feels like pastoral countryside beyond the reach of modern progress. Everyone thrives in a perfect harmony with nature, and this is an advantage. In the midst of new development, Muntinlupa City has maintained a fluid balance of progress and conservationism. Around the city, there are still sizable areas to further develop in Muntinlupa, but the government and our people ensure that the nature will never be casualties, but a perennial partner fostering progress while maintaining a sense of home. On the other hand, in the midst of new development, the fishing industry remains one of the city's most significant industries. The Laguna de Bay, once a heaven for a variety of fishes, is still being protected and rehabilitated. True to our vision, a balanced ecosystem where development coexists with nature, while simultaneously ushering in its bright future, the country's Clean Air Act is strictly being implemented and regulated. As a result, the quality of air in Muntinlupa is still suitable to live a life and look ahead for a future of maximized potential and harmonized growth. With its current standing as one of the most progressive cities in the Philippines, Muntinlupa City continues to sow seeds and invest for future growth on its most valuable natural resources as it continues to ride the momentum of its accelerated development. This trust, hinged on the city's natural resources, would ensure that its progress throughout the years remains organic as it is dynamic. If I would be blessed to be crowned as the Miss Philippines Earth 2016, I will be more than willing to spend my time, effort, and knowledge in encouraging, inspiring, and educating people about the benefits of doing good to our Earth and what will be the result, especially in our health. Let us promote discipline and unity. We are the cause and we are the ones who suffer. Let's be one with Mother Earth. What is good for her is also good for us. Start being a superhero in our own little ways. This is the time to change the climate change. Think now, act fast. From the city of Muntinlupa, I am April Angelic Arsiaga of Miss Philippines Earth 2016, and I am a woman of the Earth.